Why don't vegans eat honey? How bees produce honey. Bees are producing honey to be used for food. Upon extracting nectar from the flowers, the bees take the nectar back to the hive, where the workers split it between the young bees and the honeycomb, where it is processed. In the process of nectar removal, bees pollinate plants. Bees dehydrate the nectar over time and cover the honeycomb with wax, preserving the honey as their food source. Creating honey doesn't hurt the bees, but it takes a lot of work. Since bees create honey for their own use, vegans believe it's unethical to take it away from them. Why don't vegans eat honey? Anyone can understand why vegetables don't eat mat, why don't eat milk and milk products, and why skip eggs. However, many people don't know why vegans don't eat honey either. I mean, bees make it for us, isn't it? It's their only job, they make a lot of it, it's been used as a medicine for thousands of years, and most of it doesn't harm them. It's real in every way. The production of honey has in no way hurt bees. But how people treat them hurts them.